Kuble pi barwa na kalyang kadudarshan kendra Shillong ipedang sngobai pi shikatup kubor mataga janmit. Shwaban pai shiki kubor ki babnya ngine pechwai kimat bakongsan. Ai kuble khaddu kayeng dorbar Rajya Sabha yu Vice President kari u M Venkaya Naidu ong menteri rang badu kari bakayeng kalakiu hapok kajing khmi jong Naidu. Lawan ra eka bil ban penkala Electricity Act hayeng darbar Lok Sabha wat hapedeng kijing persajur na kalyang persya ajing mut ka sarkar ban IT eka bil syaka Parliamentary Standing Committee. Sakhi ka jala ye kijing yeki persya ye ka Electricity Act Amendment Bill. But chairman barim ka UPSC but educationist bapa Professor David Imle unyale ban pin sakriang ya ka khana pateng syapang unong yale lai luat maslur ka jala utirat sing. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ulaong bakajingla banyalam jong chairman ka ying dorbar Rajya Sabha M Venkaya Naidu bat karukam penyat kalayalam ya ka Rajya Sabha ban kiu hakakerdan ka bahadrong haying dorbar Rajya Sabha hakajing ai kublai khaddu yu Naidu hadir bakan kutno kapor ba ubat ya kakam Menteri rang badu kari ulaong bakayeng kala kiu hakajing trekam dah nyu po na ka shispa hapo kajing pet ka jong u Ulaong basis pa hanya punya utligibil kidai kibala ban pentrekam laniatai hakayeng hapo kajing penya jong Naidu. Ulaong ru bagi samla ken tip khambha syapang ka emlang salang syapang ka ribak syapang ka jingsin char pat ba nakikam jong Naidu. Kakam ka bau Naidu ubat nakabenta sansnem kan sakut no hakashpoterik unailar.
आप तो देश के एक ऐसे उपराष्ट्रपति हैं जिसने अपनी सभी भूमिकाओं में हमेशा युवाओं के लिए काम किया है। आपने सदन में भी हमेशा युवा सांसदों को आगे बढ़ाया, उन्हें प्रोत्साहन दिया।
Yakabil ban penkala syakaan boarding lanik Electricity Act banum nyu Shillong hagajing penrung kerteng ka bakal luat jong kajing sam boarding lawan ra hakayeng dorbar Lok Sabha henegasngi wat hapedeng kajing persya na kalyang persya ki bakam bakani ka an kan kini no ki kattu ka ni ki hok jong ka sarkar jala Menteri Ketenat Boarding RK Singh ulawan ra ek Electricity Amendment Bill RHR ban ulakentu lampang ka Lok Sabha Om Berla ban IT yakni ka bill syaka Parliamentary Standing Committee na kabenta ke jing ajing mut ki bakam biang khnang ban pinbet pinbiang ye ki jing e bala pinpau da kalyang persya kani ka bill ka thmu ban ailat ek jing pinyat da ki riu shimet ya ka boarding lada on pelat yakni ka bill habaro artli ki indor bar thawan kinong pendan kam kila ban jiet ikinong sam boarding kom ba ki jiet ek telefon ka mobile bat ka internet Kinong tre bat ki engineer jongka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited hapo jongka lama jongka Coordination Committee of Registered MEECL Association bat ki union kila penlong ka jingya ki persya ek Electricity Amendment Bill RHR henekasngi habakran hagani ka jingalang President jongka seng iba PK Shulet ila ong bakani ka bill ka ba onpan kala syaka an boarding lanik Electricity Act kan wanra igijing e ki bakra boarding yaki jing pindan kam yaki nong pindan kam yaka boarding yaki nong tre bat ki engineer hakani ketnat Hakawai pat kabenta kum kani ka jingya ki persya lapan long ru de kinong tre bat ki engineer jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ka West but East Janty Hills bat ka Amlarem Subdivision Unit.
And most importantly, my brother and sister, we don't know. There is no mention whatsoever what will happen to the electricity employees of the nation. There's about 27 lakhs and their families. Therefore, to my view, the government did not bother to explain all these facts. And that's why it is a detrimental bill which we must oppose.
Chairman Barim Jongka UPSC but educationist Bapau I Professor David Simle ila banjur halor ka jing.com ban pin sapriang I khana shapang unong yale ala lut bachelor Jongka jala utirat singh shaka keleng saudong kari utirat singh ulayale persha da ka jingshlur ya ka ri bilat ka bayale ban yosin charju bor ya ka Khasi hapadeng usnem khat pras pa arpundai bar usnem khat pras pa lai phulai habakran baka DD news menta ka singi Professor Simle ila ya ro yo mentri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi na ka benta ka jingkan mau ya ka jingno asenyang jong utirat singh ya ka ri na ka program ai jingkran ba shi sen shi banai jong u ka man ki bat ling ba ka All India Radio Dangshan I Professor Simle ila ong sho ba utirat singh ula I shadien ya ka jingyo pateng jong ka jingale persha na ka benta ka jing bishar bahok ka badai ka jingyo pateng ka ban yai beteng ban kta hadu menta
We in the Northeast appreciate our Prime Minister Shri Modi making a reference to Tirot Singh's struggle against the British. It means a lot to us that our Prime Minister makes a reference to our freedom fighter because Tirot Singh needs to be known across the nation and across the country. Tirot Singh has left a legacy of struggle for right and justice. He fought between 1829 and 1833 in a long-drawn struggle against the British for the rights he believed, for independence and for freedom. And this legacy continues today.
Yakalingko sngiyap ka ba prapuwe jong Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore larakhe ne ka step har Brookside Railbong Shillong utagor ulasa ha Brookside bungalow ha ubnai risau jong snem khat khandai spa khat khandai ha ka jingwan jungo ka baningkong ka jong u ya ka nong ba Shillong u Chief Justice jong ka Bishar High Court ka Meghalaya u Sanjeev Banerjee ulay shimbenta kumkong san ha ka teka program ka balapin long da ka malabika bisharat bat ki rew it jong Tagore ha Shillong Hakate ka program larwai ya ki jingwai Rabindranath Sangeet da ka Tanpura Group Shillong ka jingpuli ki poetry jong Tagore hakak tien Khasi de Professor Dr. Streamlet Dakhar na lor ki way u Justice Banerjee ula ong ba Tagore ula long ubriu ba kraw bar ki briu ki de ben pinsa penne ben yalap ik simbo perkhat jong u ula pinkut pat ya ka program da ka jingwai e ri ka Research Extension Center REC Shillong Ringkat ka jingetre lang jaga Central Sericulture Research and Training Institute Berhampur bada ka jingkershan jaga Central Silk Board Krish Vigyan Kendra YAJR bar ka Ministry of Textiles jaga Sarkar India la penlong menta kasngi ya ka awareness program halor ka jingpenan kam ya ka jing start technology ha ka jingri ki khnyang rusam naga benta ka jingpenmi ki ksai rusam ki babha ha ka ni ka program lawan baneshim benta the District Sericulture Officer ka West Jante Hills District ER Sinjuri Ringkat Kajing dan langjung scientist ubana REC Shillong Dr. N Balachandran u senior scientist but uhe jongke KVK YAJR I Dr. Dudu Paswet na lor kiwede ki nong tre jongka KVK barketnat sericulture haba ai jingkren hagani gasngi u Dr. Balachandran ulay aware yeki nong rap ban pershang od RCN u dieng Mulberry hakashis nem na kabenta kajing mentoy jongki
Conditions are not favorable here because of heavy rainfall in this zone. But in spite of that, we have at the same time we have conducive climatic condition in the form of temperature and humidity. Only rainfall is the issue here. If we can manage our silkworm rearing and we can produce the mulberry leaves during this period, certainly we can have two crops. Without two crops, there is no meaning in having a perennial plant like a mulberry.
Mentapat ngini pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sin baneng ha Shillong ka jingshet ka long arphun riu point iwe degree Celsius ba ka jingkriat ka long khat khandai degree Celsius ka jingsngam ka hau ka long new pulai na kishis pa min step but hin new pusaw na kishis pa janmit ka jing hap slap ka long iwe point san millimeter kala bandon ka jing hap slap haki babun ki jaka Hashwa bangin pinkut ngi pinkut mau yapi bayagini ko khubor na lor ka bapiyo i ka television phila ru ban pe live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong da ka banta ki khubor ba malagasngi phila ru ban pe ka khubor jong ka DD News Shillong ha ka Instagram Facebook ba Twitter Shwa ban poi ka bakut jong thup khubor ngi pe byang sai sien ni ki mat pakong san Ai kublai khaddu ka yindor bar Rajya Sabha yu Vice President kari M Venkaiah Naidu ong umentri rang ba do kari baka yeng kala kiu hapo ka jingkni jong Naidu Lawan ra ya kabil ban Pinkala Electricity Act haying darbar Lok Sabha war hapadeng kijing persha bejur na kalyang persha ai jing mut ka sarkar ban IT ya kabil shaka Parliamentary Standing Committee. Sakhi ke jala ya kijing ki persha Electricity Act Amendment Bill. Baru Chairman Barim ke UPSC baru Educationist Bapau Professor David Simley unyele ban penpriang ya ka khana pateng shapang nong yele lai luit baslur ke jalau Durat Singh. Deparlo katung ila poisha ka bakut ka thup ku bor jangi mata ka janmit hadu bang de shambyang bat phila shai ka sngi ku bleye phi baro.
The Indian national flag is the symbol of our freedom, national pride and history. This Independence Day, let the tricolor soar up high from every home in the state